In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rule to move email to different folders in Outlook 365. If your inbox feels cluttered, rules can automatically file messages where they belong, saving you time and helping you focus on what matters. Let's start with the quickest method in the Outlook desktop app. Find a message from the sender you want to filter. Right? Click that email, hover over Rules, and choose Always Move Messages from this sender. Outlook will prompt you to select a destination. Pick an existing folder or create a new one if you'd like to keep things neatly organized. Then click OK. From now on, any new email from that sender will skip your inbox and go directly to the folder you chose. This is great for newsletters, alerts, or updates you want to review on your own schedule. If you want more control, use the detailed method. Right, click a message and select Rules. Then create rule. A dialog box will open where you can define the conditions that trigger the rule. You can set it to act on messages from a specific person or use subject contains to catch emails with certain keywords. Choose conditions that are specific enough to avoid moving unrelated mail. For example, a unique keyword or a recognized sender is usually best. Under Do the following, select Move the item to folder. Then choose or create your target folder. Click OK to save the rule. If you want Outlook to clean up your inbox immediately, check Run this rule now in Inbox before you confirm. That option scans your current inbox and moves any existing messages that match. So your filing system is consistent right away. After that, the rule works automatically on incoming mail. If you use Outlook on the web, you can accomplish the same thing there. Open Settings, go to Mail, then Rules, and click Add New Rule. Give the rule a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Set your conditions such as a specific sender or subject keywords and choose the action to move to a folder. Select the folder you want or create a new one for better organization. Then save. The web version follows the same logic as the desktop app, so your emails will be moved automatically based on the criteria you set. That's all you need to streamline your inbox and keep important messages exactly where you expect them. Thanks for watching.